If you are selling products online with Shopify and want to save time and make more money, you likely need the right tool to help you manage your dropshipping business. Two popular tools many sellers talk about are AutoDS and CJdropshipping. Both tools help you to run your Shopify store better, but they do different jobs and work in a different way. Today, I will explain both tools in a simple way so you can decide which one is best choice for your business. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and share special offers that help you to start and grow your online store with less stress. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to get the special offer links for the tools we talk about in this video. By using the description tools, discount that will be applied automatically so you don't miss any savings. So let's begin by talking about the AutoDS. AutoDS is a dropshipping automation tool. It helps you import products from many suppliers to your Shopify store, update price and inventory automatically, and even fulfill the orders without doing everything manually each time. You can think of AutoDS as a automation helper that saves you time on the boring parts of your running store. Instead of manually checking each product every day, AutoDS keeps everything up to date for you. On the other hand, CJ Dropshipping is more than just automation. It is both a supplier and a dropshipping platform. That means CJ Dropshipping not only helps you to automate but also help you to find store products in their warehouse and handle the shipping and even do the customer packaging if you want. Many sellers use the CJ Dropshipping to find the suppliers and products that are hard to find in other places. They also like that CJ Dropshipping gives them many shipping options to reach the customers around the world. Now let's talk about how these tools work with Shopify. AutoDS connects directly to your Shopify store. You install AutoDS, link it to Shopify, and then you can import the products from any marketplaces like AliExpress, Amazon, Walmart, and many more. Once products are in your store, AutoDS keeps track of stock and price changes. When customers buy something, AutoDS can place the order for you and fill the customer's address automatically. This means you don't have to log in each time to order the products yourself. AutoDS does it for you. CZ Dropshipping also connect with Shopify but in different way. You link your Shopify store to CJ Dropshipping and then you can choose the product directly from the CJ Dropshipping product list. When you get an order, you can send it to the CJ Dropshipping and they handle the fulfillment. The best part is that CJ Dropshipping manages inventory for you. They already have the warehouses in many countries. So shipping can be faster compared to ordering from overseas suppliers every time. One of the main differences between the two is product sourcing. AutoDS lets you pick the supplier from many different places, while CJ Dropshipping is a single supplier with its own products and warehouse option. If you want more variety and many options from different suppliers, then AutoDS gives you a lot of choices. If you want easier shipping and a more consistent supplier experience, CJ Dropshipping may be the better choice for you. Another key difference is in automation. AutoDS is very strong in automation tools. You can adjust the prices, check stock, handle the order automation, and give you the alerts if something needs your attention. CJ Dropshipping does have automation, but it focuses more on delivering products, managing inventory, and offering product sourcing support. When it comes to pricing, both tools have the different plans depending on how many products you want to manage and how much automation you need. It's important to think about your budget and size of your store. If your store is brand new or you have fewer products, you might start with a smaller plan. If your store is growing fast with many products, you might need a higher plan that gives you more automation and support. So, which one should you choose? If you want a tool that makes automation easy and saves you time on managing prices, stock, and order processing, AutoDS is a strong choice. But if you want a supplier that can also handle inventory, faster shipping, and product sourcing in one place, then CJ dropshipping could be the better option. Some sellers even use both together. They find product with CJ dropshipping and use the AutoDS for automation. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I hope this comparison helped you to understand the difference between AutoDS and CJ dropshipping for your Shopify dropshipping store. If you enjoyed this video and want more simple tech tutorial for your business, make sure to subscribe this channel for more videos like this, and remember to use the link in the description to get your special offer. Discount will be applied automatically when you use those link. I will see you in the next video where we explore more tools to grow your online business.